Hey guys, DLD 23, and we have a unboxing first impressions. This is a Fattac holster. I am not going to flip it over and show my address, so we will show how it comes. And you have lots and lots of like adjustments, so you can run it from here all the way up to here. You got your Fattac clip, and we're going to kind of see the difference between this, because this is supposed to be for fat guys, you know, for us big guys, and you can adjust it so that it fits high or low, so it like rides comfortable. We're going to compare it to this Clinger holster. I had to modify this, so I had to cut this part out right here because I run an extended mag release. So show you, this here is my EDC holster, level 2, and it's got the mag release that is, you know, nice and exposed. I am going to tell you that this is hot because it is my EDC. So I had to take and modify so that it would fit here. And I'm almost going to be saying I'm going to have to do the same thing here. I'm probably going to have to modify because if something hits, going to pop that mag right out. So I will have to take and cut a little bit out here so that the mag release isn't being pressed by the holster. I mean, it fits nice and everything, but that will irritate me. So we will sit there and compare these two holsters. We can't compare it to, you know, this is a level 2, and which is really nice. So this is a TG holster, a level 2. And then we got another envelope. This one is not running DK knife, definition knife. So shout out to DLD After Dark and flyingRich, who are the owners of definition knives. And I'm telling you, they're actually pretty nice, especially for sub $100 knives. I'm trying to make sure I don't cut anything I don't want to. Okay, so I can just run this across the top. Return. And Fattac. And here's what I ordered. This one, the GHEF, bending you over since 1972. So I got a Fattac sticker, a couple of them. I definitely like this one. This one's going to go on one of my ammo cans. So thank you guys, and definitely check out Fattac holsters, because the Black Diamond is, you know, Josh, great guy. So again, we will come back and tell you the pros and cons about these two holsters. And before I modify this, I will carry this for about a week or so. Thank you. Bye.